Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe I have committed myself to doing 12 days of Christmas for my Vlogmas series. Welcome back to Christmas in the Caribbean. I will not come and kill myself, but the plan and the goal is to do one video a day until Christmas, and I think I can do it. Today, for the Vlogmas series, I'm getting my makeup done by Chanel. She's so creative. She does some amazing looks, and I thought she'd be perfect to do a Christmas look. I have some other ideas for my Vlogmas series, but if you want to leave some suggestions, then I might consider it and do the video, because I'm doing it, filming every day and recording every day. Well, filming every day. Okay, somebody is screaming. I'm doing filming every day and editing every day and posting every day like I have never. May the Lord be with me. And let's go. Let's see what Chanel will do on my face. I dressed a little festive today, kind of. I just put some colors and some shiny stuff. But let's see. Okay, so I am in the chair. And Chanel told me she got some new palettes and she's letting me bless the palettes. Or is it, did I say it the wrong way?
No, definitely I'm going to be blessing my palette.
Yes, I'm blessing the palettes. I feel honored. These are the palettes?
Yeah, this one.
So gorgeous. I can't do anything with eyeshadow. One day I will learn, but until then, I need people like Chanel in my life. We're using this inspiration. What is it? Mitchell? Mitchell. We're using this inspiration and we're going for this red.
This shade is good. Like, look at that shade.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to make
I need to get it together because this is trying to go in on my waterline. But my eyes always watering. Like, I'll try not to be a failure. My weak ass eyes, get it together. Get it together, because we're trying to slay. That's it.
Let me just make sure my pencil's soft. Hold on. I am so...
I'm so embarrassed.
Oh, I'm so proud of you. Okay, next one. Next one. Look at it. Look at you.
You know what?
Look at
I
you.
think the last few times I just wasn't blinking. So it's like I'm staring into like the lights or staring into a wall, and my eyes like, okay, girl, goodbye.
Last time it was really a mess.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm proud. I'm happy. I'm happy.
We can move on with the look.
Okay. So we're doing white into green.
Yeah, into the mint green. And then we'll do like a dark green.
Ooh.
Yeah. So
Oh, this is great. Yeah.
And then I love this shade of green right in that palette. Finally, we finally get to use one color.
We're blessing the palette. We're finally blessing the palette. Oh, period. I love big lashes, so we switching the lashes up a bit to do a little more drama. This highlighter is
Tell you,
like
shiny.
blind somebody.
Oh, period. I love this highlighter.
Period.
Oh,
Period. Look at these brows. Look. I want to look like an ornament on a Christmas tree. We seal the deal. I'm so happy. This is such a success. Like, it's so nice. Wow.
I love the body.
I'm absolutely in love. Like, wow. I'm telling you, she's the best. She is. Wow. Thank you so much. And imagine we started this not knowing what we were going for.
Yep.
And we set it off. She set it off. Period. These brows, the eyeshadow, the glitter, the under eyeliner, the lashes, the highlights, the lips, the contour, it's everything. I'm loving it. Ooh, thank you so much. Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed my Christmas makeup look. Chanel did an amazing job. I am so excited. I hope this inspires someone to try this for the holidays. I think it's a gorgeous look. I had this on all day and it still looks amazing. So be sure to check out Chanel's Instagram. She's very creative. She does a lot more than this. Like, it just gets more and more creative. So make sure to check that out. Be sure to like, share, and comment, and subscribe if you haven't done that as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.